In this video, we will see about 10 interesting facts about India. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Number 10, after United States and China, India has the third largest active army. Number 9, Kerala is the highest liquor-consuming state in India. Number 8, number of births in India every year is more than the total population of Australia. Number 7, Indian housewives hold 11% of world's gold, that is more than the reservoir of United States, Switzerland, and Germany put together. Number 6, India is the second largest English-speaking country in the world. Number 5, only 3% of Indians pay income tax. Number 4, there are several inventions and discoveries made in India, such as chess, shirt buttons, the ruler, shampoo, toilet flush, ink and plastic surgery. Number 3, it is illegal for foreigners to take Indian rupee out of India. Number 2, hockey is not a national sport of India. Even many Indians don't know this fact, that India doesn't have any national sport. Number 1, Hindi is not a national language of India. English is more popular in South India than Hindi. India has 22 official languages. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.